Okay guys, we took the tractor and laid off a couple of beds here. We're taking our hoss tool now and we're going down the top of it, opening the furrow up, getting ready. We're going to put some Epsom salt and stuff in there, and then we're going to put our potatoes. We're going to drag it down a little bit after we put the Epsom salt in there, and then we're going to put our potatoes, cover it back up, because we only got enough fingerlings, I think, to do just one row. So we've been kind of losing them here in the last few years. We don't have as many as we used to have. I guess you might say we've been canning too many of them. I'm not saving enough for seeds, but we have a few left in the cellar. We're going to try to get at least one row of them this year, because we love the Russian White Fingerling Potatoes. They are really good to eat. They're kind of buttery and creamy when you eat them. It's a real bonus to our homestead here, and kind of a delicacy too. Okay guys, we got our Epsom salt here, our magnesium sulfate. We're gonna try to get that down in the row now, because potatoes need magnesium to have good foliage, and we want our potatoes to have the best chance that they can to survive. Okay guys, I'm gonna bring y'all over here and show you. This is what our fingerling potatoes look like. They like this. Got these long shoots hanging on them. We're just gonna clip those off and plant these. And the potatoes look a little rough, but I tell you what, these fingerlings are some hardy potatoes. We plant them like this every year and just get lots of little potatoes off of them. So we're gonna clip these things off, and we're gonna try to get them in the ground. Now we're not gonna clip all of it off. We're gonna leave about an inch sticking up, and then get all these put in the ground. Here we have Wanda. We put down the Epsom salt. She's coming behind me, covering it up so that the potatoes are not in direct contact with the Epsom salt. Once she's to the end here, we'll start putting potatoes in the ground and covering them up. Guys, these fingerling potatoes that Wanda's sticking in the ground here, we bought these organic potatoes in a grocery store over 5 years ago, and we are still raising potatoes from those very potatoes that we bought. So it is possible to go to a grocery store and get organic potatoes and acclimate them to your property, because that's what we have done, and these things have held up marvelous. I mean, they are just, it's outstanding at the job, and the durability of these potatoes. These potatoes will last the whole season through the cellar. No, they're not like the red potatoes. The red potatoes usually go bad on us and won't do too good, and we lose a lot of them. But these, we never lose any of them hardly. So that's just something good to throw out there about these potatoes.